Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add bank details in Invoice in Zoho Books. This is essential for ensuring your clients have all the payment information they need right on their invoices, making transactions smoother and more professional. Let's start by opening a web browser and navigating to zoho.com/books. This will take you directly to the Zoho Books login page. Once you're there, log into your Zoho Books account using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready to access your account dashboard. After logging in, look at the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the gear icon labeled Settings. Click on this icon to access all the configuration options for your Zoho Books account. This is where you can customize various aspects of your invoicing and accounting setup. In the Settings menu, locate and select PDF templates under the Customization section. This area controls how your invoices, estimates, and other documents appear when they're generated. It's crucial for maintaining your brand's professional appearance and ensuring all necessary information is included. On the Templates pane that appears on the left side, click on Invoices. This will show you all the available invoice templates in your account. You'll see different template options that you can modify to suit your business needs. Now hover over the invoice template you want to edit. When you do this, an Edit button will appear. Click on Edit to open the template editor. This is where you'll make the changes to include your bank details. In the template editor, look at the left sidebar and click on Other Details. This section allows you to add additional information to your invoice template that goes beyond the standard items and pricing. Here's the key step: click the Add Bank Details button. This will open a pop-up window where you can input all your banking information. In this pop-up, enter your bank details carefully, including your bank name, account number, and IFSC or SWIFT code, depending on whether you're dealing with domestic or international transactions. Double-check these details for accuracy, since any errors could delay payments. Finally, click Save on the pop-up window to add the bank details to your template. Your invoice template now includes all the necessary banking information, and every invoice you generate using this template will automatically display these details for your clients. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.